I'm going to make a campaign on this playlist showing you the best Forex signals out there. What I'm going to do is take the signals for you live in the back office. You get a free $5,000 if you sign up with the link down below, guys. Take the signals. I'm going to show you. So if you want to get involved, you can copy and follow along, or you can just wait to see if I win or lose and then join yourself. But the link's down below to do that. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. Let me show you smart charts. Okay, day one, guys, inside Smartcharts, all right, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use their signals with the $5,000 that they actually give you. This is the simulated money that you get to trade with, but you get real profit. So let's go and have a look at the charts right now. I'm going to show you how to choose a strategy that you want. Okay, I've actually got two charts in my layout. I'm going to go for one, so it makes it easy for you. Okay, I'm going to go over here where you see it says power pivot. It'll say no strategy if you haven't got one. And then you can see all the different signals coming in here. These are all signals. Pick a strategy that you want to do, and if you need to learn, guys, go to the learn section, learn what strategy you want to use. So for example, pip runner, I'm going to go with OrdCAD right now on the pip runner. Okay, as I zoom into this, guys, all right, you're going to see this happen. You're going to see these arrows telling you if this is going up, if it's going down, where it's going to go, where the signal is. Okay, and it's going to give you all the markings. It is super easy. So for example, this arrow is pointing up. Okay, I'm going to here show you how to put a trade on. I'm going to put a buy on here. Okay, now before you confirm the buy, all right, let me just show you this. You can move all of your things around. So the stop loss, for example, is where this red dot is. But if I want to be a little bit more cautious, okay, I can by doing this. All right, I move my stop loss to say here. Now the buy entry, if I want to get in exactly where they tell me to here, I can. But if I want to go a little bit closer, like I think the trade is getting to exactly where we want it to be, I can put my buy entry here. Take profit, again, there's a green dot. Do I want my green dot to be the take profit? Yes, but I will still watch this, and it says here it's going to give you £344 profit if this wins. I still want to see exactly where this trade's going, so I might cancel this halfway through here and make a profit. So guys, look, you can move your buy entry wherever you want. They do recommend having it right here. As you move this, it will change the stop loss and the take profit with it, so it keeps the ratio all the same. And then I simply click the green tick, and I am now going into that trade. Very, very easy, guys. All right, that trade is going on, and I have also in my head, because I'm a trader, I have used this as well. This indicator here coming through on the strategy, the blue and yellow line, as these cross, usually indicates a big momentum. All right, now this is not me trying to teach you how to trade. There's educators that do this for you in the coaching section. Guys, I'm just showing you, I'm going to do this every single day. Take one of the signals and let's see where we end up, and then you can make a decision for yourself if you want to get involved with smart charts. All right, guys, and it really is the world's first AI trade analysis platform. It's exactly what you would expect to get on TradingView with much more powerful AI inverted into it, like I showed you. Simply start trading now, guys. The link down below, just click that and get going. All right, there's thousands of users using this, people making money every single day. It is user friendly. You can use the app, you can get it on your tablet, anything you want, guys, and you can trade whatever it is you want to trade. I'm going to make a video every day using different signals and different strategies, see which is the best, so you don't have to test it for yourself. So if this is something you're interested in, guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, bell if you're notified. Get trading right now. You literally get $5,000 for free once you've signed up, guys, to trade with. Who knows? You might make a lot of money, you might lose it, and then you still get it for free. All right, absolutely incredible. Get involved right now.